This Caesar pasta salad is made with my Caesar dressing without anchovies, and it is delicious. It has a little bit of pasta that's soft. You make your own breadcrumbs, and it's just enough flavoring that it's not too overpowering. The ingredients in this Caesar pasta salad are 2 slices of white bread, unsalted butter, romaine lettuce, black pepper, ziti pasta, and my special recipe Caesar dressing without anchovies. And the crunchy breadcrumbs, pasta is good, romaine is good, and it's got just enough dressing on it that gives you that flavor, and it's delicious.